Setback for the Chief Minister of Delhi as the Supreme Court has rejected his extension plea. So the Supreme Court will not be hearing that plea by the Chief Minister of Delhi, and he will have to go back to jail on the 2nd of June. Do remember he'd asked for a 7-day extension, and this was on grounds of the fact that he's not been feeling well and that he has to get a PET scan and a CT scan done, which is why he had asked for a temporary, for that interim extension of his bail. We have my colleague joining us to get us more on this. We have Aishwarya with us. Aishwarya, big blow to the Chief Minister of Delhi. Take us through, why has the Supreme Court refused to even hear that case?
Well, certainly that's a big setback for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, as he had filed an application before the Supreme Court to get extension for at least 7 days on the health grounds while he is on interim bail. Remember, he got the interim bail on May 10th and he was supposed to surrender on June 2nd, but the application that was filed by Arvind Kejriwal stated that he has lost 7 kilograms of weight while he was in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate, and he has to undergo PET CT scans so that if there is any serious disease, then he can get to know about it. Supreme Court Registry today rejected the application of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on the grounds that number one, he had been given the liberty to go to file a regular plea before the Sessions Court or the lower court, but that did not happen. In fact, it was also stated by the Supreme Court that while on May 17 the order had been already reserved by the Supreme Court challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in the PMLA case, then there is no chance that there should be this application that needs to be accepted, and therefore the Supreme Court Registry only rejected this this application by Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, yesterday Abhishek Manu Singhvi also stated in the court that they want an urgent hearing and urgent listing of this case, but today Supreme Court Registry rejecting Arvind Kejriwal's application to get 7 days of extension, clearly a setback for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and therefore now he has to surrender back on June 2nd. He has to go back to jail on June 2nd, that's for sure.
Right. Well, Arvind Kejriwal, who was arrested on the 21st of March in the Delhi excise policy scam, take us through, he had that bail timing of about a month. He has to go back on the 2nd of June. He's out on bail till the 1st of June, and this was on account of campaigning for the ongoing elections. Those are the grounds on which he was permitted that bail. But also take us through the grounds on which, he was seeking that extension by 7 days. What is it that he's needing to get those PET scans and CT scans for?
Well, according to Aam Aadmi Party, they claim that Arvind Kejriwal's health has been deteriorating day by day. It is almost 7 kilograms of weight that Arvind Kejriwal has reduced since the time he was on interim bail and he was in custody of the Enforcement Directorate. It was some serious disease that could happen. In fact, in several interviews as well, Arvind Kejriwal has stated that, the insulin was not given inside Tihar jail. It was a very rude behavior of the Tihar jail authorities when his diabetic level reached up to 300 plus, and that remained for constantly for almost 7 to 8 days, which is very serious. In fact, the charges that were leveled by Arvind Kejriwal stating that there could be some very serious diseases, and there and the Max Hospital doctors, according to Arvind Kejriwal, had done the test. They have stated that for further test, PET CT scan test needs to be done as far as to know that whether there is some serious disease that is coming in or not, for which the application needs to be filed before the Supreme Court. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, also stated that it should be these 7 days when the test would be done, and they will get to know that whether Arvind Kejriwal has some serious diseases or not, and therefore the reason 7 days extension is needed, to which today the Supreme Court Registry rejected. Remember, he was out on interim bail from May 10th and he has to surrender back on June 2nd on very strict conditions that were imposed by the Supreme Court. Remember, he could not file any sign any files of the official documents. He could not go to the Delhi Secretariat or his Chief Minister's office. He cannot undergo any of the government work or the official duties, and these are some of the important conditional bails that he was out on, but he was campaigning through day and night. Remember, there were political war of words that were also erupted since yesterday when such news came in that Arvind Kejriwal wants extension. Bharatiya Janata Party leaders clearly had levelled attacks on Aam Aadmi Party, saying that while Arvind Kejriwal is roaming all across the country and he was out on campaigning, he did roadshows within 24 hours of him getting out on bail. Why such seriousness on his health did not showcase, and this is clear propaganda drama by Arvind Kejriwal is something that Bharatiya Janata Party leaders alleged, and today the Supreme Court registry did not accept the application. That certainly means that Arvind Kejriwal had to go back to the Tihar jail and he has to surrender back on June 2nd.